The Qoom profile page serves as a platform for you to showcase to the world who you are and what you're up to. Publish your latest projects all onto one page under your own domain. You will also have the chance to be featured on Qoom's very own website. To set up your profile page, simply type /settings after your domain name. Click Edit to add your name, a short biography, social media links, and a profile photo. Then save. Toggle on the button on the bottom left to make your profile page public, and you're done. To view your profile, click the hyperlink or type /profile after your domain. Qoom also allows you to customize your own profile page. Type /edit/profile.html after your domain to see the source code. Anything within the style tags you can personalize, from colors and fonts to the entire page layout and design. Make your profile page your own. To publish a project, simply click the 3 dots next to the folder and Publish. Enter a project name, description, and photo. They will be displayed on your profile page. Click Submit to Featured Projects for the chance to have your projects showcased on Qoom's website. Note that all files must be in the folder to be published. Enter the desired folder name or rename your file as folder name/file name.